Eventually. Yeah.
Oh
There we
god.
go.
Oh, fuck.
Hey.
Is this the harpoon?
The harpoon's up in front, yeah.
No, there's a harpoon back too.
Glitches, Russell. I want to go
Are
flying.
you ready?
I'm fucking ready, guy. Yeah, I
How
like
do
this baby's up,
I
man.
can't aim.
We got harpoon in the back too, guy.
Hurry up
Like
before we
the
die.
bottom.
Out of breath,
Yeah!
This isn't the best. It's not deep enough. Isn't there supposed to be a little bit more tornado? Yeah, but I also have to spend quite a bit of real
Guys.
life money. Yeah. Oh shit. Right in front of us. Turn! 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 You son of a bitch is pulling us!
Oh, there's another one. Oh!
Oh shit!
Shut up.
You.
Fuck you.
Now we gotta go right.
Tornado right in front of us.
Shut up. I can see.
Alright.
Okay, we're going. I'm not gonna look.
Oh shit, it's back! The whirlpool spawns!
I'm not looking. I'm not looking.
No, we're good.
Oh,
We're making it through. We're making it through.
We're making it
Making
through.
it through.
We're making it through. It's not doing anything. Oh shit! Oh shit, it launched us!
Goodbye.
Swim! Damn you, Abyssal Whisper, stop. What the fuck? Your boat is flying!
We're good,
Your
we're
boat
good.
was legit flying.
Oh,
What is here? That's what I want to see. What the fuck is this? Where's the workbench? This says there's a workbench here.
must be abyssal attack victors.
Abyssal Curse. Increases sieve damage plus 100% for nearing the seal. What?